Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Save the Crafty YouTuber video hop, and this video hop is sponsored by several amazing craft companies that are sponsoring over 50 plus giveaways, plus some personal sponsored giveaways such as the one I'm hosting. The winner of my giveaway during this hop will be a $25 online gift card to a place of your choice. So if you're interested in winning, definitely check out all the rules and details down in the description. But the more you comment on this hop and all the videos within it, the more likely you are to win. So be sure to check out the rules again in the description down below, and be sure to hop on to the next person after this video so you guys can enter all of the giveaways possible in this video hop. Today I will be working on this layout, which is a beautiful, wild, and bright and colorful layout. A nice 12 by 12 layout to go in one of my albums, and I'm using a single photo today, but I do lots of multi-photo layouts as well as card videos. If you guys are new here, I'd love for you to subscribe so you guys can get more inspiration on how to use your stash and how to pair different things together. As you can see, I'm trying to find some layers for my photo here, and it's a photo of the three of us, me, my brother, and my boyfriend, in front of an adorable giraffe statue that we saw at the local zoo. And I'm going to be matting that on some yellow and pinks to give it some nice, bold, and bright layers beneath it. This is actually part of a monthly series I'm a part of called How to Kill a Kit with Style, and what we do is we create little monthly kits that we work with all month long, and this month I created page kits to work with, and these are the papers I had chosen to go with it, and then I just gather some accessories to go with it as well, so it all coordinates and helps make some faster pages throughout the month. So you can kind of tell how this one's coming together. I have the beautiful leaf background there. That is from the Jen Hadfield Everyday Paper Pad, and I will have all of the links for products still available linked down below in case you guys are interested in buying any of them. I also pull out a couple other Jen Hadfield papers. You'll see me switching them out there. The yellow hexagon was one as well, and then I also have this beautiful blue marble paper that I end up using on this layout. Here is this gorgeous bright pink, and this bright pink is actually from a DCWV paper pad called Joy de Vivre, I think. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it. And for today's technique, I'm going to be doing a sort of side border. So you'll see here, I'm going to put the border on the top left, or the left and the top sections of the pink paper will be showing, where the green paper will meet the bottom section, the bottom right corner. So you'll see those layers there. And I decided to even double it up again and do it with the blue one. Now I recently did this on another layout, so you guys can kind of check out variations of it if you're interested. And I'll have the whole playlist linked down below as well for how I've been using this kit all month. And I'm sure that with all the layouts I made with this kit, it might spill into June as well. But I hope you guys are excited to see all these summery pages coming together, because we're right here at the brink of summer now. I know lots of schools are finishing up and college graduations have happened, but definitely stay tuned for some more summer fun things. I have a ton planned for June, and it's some really exciting stuff, so you guys don't want to miss out. Here I had some issues with the borders meeting up. It seemed as though this paper, the green one specifically, was not the right size. And once I glued everything down, it seemed fine, so I'm really not sure why it seemed off to begin with, but everything's fixed, and I lay those down with my ATG tape. Now you can see all of those colors that I pulled in, the bright mauvey pink, the blue, and then the light green, are all in that floral paper that I have a small strip of, and I used that on another layout recently, a different topic altogether, but it's a very, very similar layout. So I want to show you guys that you can do similar designs to make faster pages, especially if they're about different topics, because they'll be in different albums and it won't seem repetitive, even if you use the same types of papers like I did here today. Now I'm going to start the embellishing process. This is one of my favorite parts of making layouts, is the embellishing process, and I'm going to go through some different embellishments that I have here. So I have some LA Studio labels I am cutting up. I have some Vicky Bouton die cuts, and I also have some Illustrated Faith die cuts, which are absolutely beautiful. And while I'm still trying to figure that out, I do try to start working on a title. So I pull out these gold thickers. They are a foam thicker with a black foam underneath, and I want to make sure I have enough letters to spell some things. So I think I'm going to name this one The Wild Side, sort of like a play on words of The Walk on the Wild Side. and the zoo we went to is actually called Wild Walk, I believe. So it's quite fitting to have that in the name. So instead of saying the, which I originally did want to do, I ended up going with a wild time. So that worked out better for the letters that I had in my stash here. And when it comes to thickers, I think a problem that happens to all of us scrapbookers is we sort of run out of what to say, what we could spell. As you can see here, I still have a ton of letters, especially good ones, A's, H's, C's, and B's, even a couple other vowels as well. So if you struggle with your thickers, just know that there is always a word to be spelled, and that there's several ways to collage your alphabets together to sort of create a accent piece rather than a single word. So sort of using them as a design element might be a better choice for you if you're ending towards the ending of the pack. Now my beloved sticker book comes into play. This American Craft sticker book is great for any type of crafter. These are great for decorating your envelopes, for cards, for planners, of course, and then of course scrapbooking pages as I'm doing today. But there is so many great pages in here. You'll see me flip through some of them, but I've been using this all month long and I absolutely adore it. I love the phrases here. You'll see I'm trying to pick one up here and it just says happy, and I put that down there, and the pinks match beautifully. I don't understand how the colors match so well, but they did, and I'm so appreciative for it because it made making these layouts even that much easier, besides just having the page kits all ready to go. Since my title is a gold foiled alphabet, I decided to pull in some of the gold foil stickers off of these sticker sheets because that will help emphasize the metallic here. I do pull out one of these planner size boxes that says yay. I thought the green matched beautifully with the background and had the pink accent. It just made sense to me to use that color wise and design wise. I like the vertical or the horizontal stripes. And to add a little bit more dimension to this layout, I end up going with some of these puffy sticker hearts that I had in my stash, as well as some regular flat hearts just to give it a little bit more color in some spots that needed it. Other than that, this layout's almost complete. I wanted to add just a few more accents, so here I get my thin foiled gold washi tape and put two little strips down as another border edge on that green palm background paper. And then I'm going to add some of these hexaglam sequins from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and I have a discount code down below if you guys are interested in using it at the sequin store. Tons of sequin mixes that you could ever imagine and use on all of your projects. And I will be using a bunch of these to sort of add a little bit more gold to the layout. I think it just needed a tad bit more, so these hexagons are a fun shape to add. But here are some close-up shots of it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I add one more puffy sticker right here at the end that says Soak of the Sun, and that will be it for this layout. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below so you guys can enter the giveaway, and be sure to check out the next person in the hop down below so you guys can continue to be inspired today throughout this giveaway. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.